Hi everyone, myself Ayan Adil, and today in this video we will be talking about how to make your 20s super productive. If you are in your 20s, most people waste their lots of time if they are in the age group of 16 to 25. Yes, I have taken this age group just because this age group is the super productive phase of your life and the most precious phase of your life. Let's understand why people why people waste their time, why people waste their 20s, waste the time, the most precious phase of their life, that is their 20s, just because they lack vision. Yes, they don't have vision, they don't know what to do in life, they don't have plan. Yes, they don't have plan, means what next to be done. And the third one is, as they are lazy. Yes, they are lazy, they have become, due to this lockdown, many people have become lazy, and yes, that's why they are wasting their lots of time. Fourth reason behind wasting your lots of time is don't have any responsibility. Yes, that is also the main cause of your means of wasting your time. If you don't know what to do in life, if you don't have any responsibilities, you will end up wasting your lots of time. Fifth cause of wasting their time, lots of time, is they consume lots of unnecessary contents. Yes, they consume unnecessary contents. So today in this video we will learn about how to make and how to avoid wasting time and how to make your precious phase, that is 16 to 25, this age group, how to make this age group super productive. So without wasting or without any further ado, let's get started. As we all know that when something becomes our habit, and if you want to get rid of that habit, it will take lots of time. Yes, if you want to get rid of your bad habits, it will take almost 21 days, 21 days, almost 21 days. So you are not going to get overnight results. So what to do? I'll tell you, just have patience and start working upon your betterment. So to make your 20s super productive, you have to take responsibilities. First thing is take responsibilities. By taking responsibilities, what will happen? You will end up wasting your time and you will become super productive. I'm not talking about the responsibilities of your family. I'm talking about the responsibilities of yours, means yours responsibilities. Pay your own college fee, pay your own bills, pay your own recharge bills. Take responsibilities of financing your expenditure. And let me tell you how to do it. If you are not earning, then it will be difficult thing to take responsibilities of yours. Means for taking your responsibility, you need to earn. So let me tell you how to earn. So to finance your expenditure, you have to earn. Let me tell you how you will earn. And these things is the most easy thing which you can do if you are in a college and if you want to make some extra money. So first thing you have to do is teach children. Yes, give them private tuitions. Easily you can make 4 to 5,000 easily if you will teach some good children's, means children's from good family. Help them to study. And the second one, what you can do is start graphic designing. Yes, graphic designing, believe me, it is the most easy thing. If you are thinking that graphic designing is the most hard thing, no, it isn't. It is the most, you can say, most easy stuff, most easy skill which you can do and which you can master upon. So how to master upon that graphic designing? From YouTube. Yes, from YouTube and none other than anything. Means nothing else is required. 90% will be required. Means 90% will help. Means YouTube will help you 90% and 10% you have to work. Means 10% will come by practice. Yes, via practice it will come. Means you will be aware of graphic designing. So take your responsibilities. Earn money. Okay, by taking how to take responsibilities, earn money, pay your college fees, and and become independent. Don't rely on your parents. Really, don't rely on your parents. If you are relying on them, you are harming your future and nothing else. The second one through which you can make your 20s super productive, or you can end up wasting your lots of time, that is by via finding passion. Second one we have with ourselves is find passion. Passion means doing something which you like, but most people don't know what is their passion. Let me tell you why they don't know. Passion is associated with some work, and who don't know what is their passion just because they haven't started doing any work yet. They are just wasting their time in mobile phone, in social medias. That's why they don't know their passion. So second one is, so let's get back to the our point. Find passion. So how to find passion? You need not to do anything. Just pick 5 skills. Yes, 5 skills. First skill is video editing. Second skill is graphic designing. Third skill is content writing. Fourth skill will be web development. And fifth and the last but not least skill will be your communication, means public speaking. Pick these 5 skills. Learn it. It will hardly take 1 year to learn all these 5 skills. And finally, you learned it. So firstly, let's check in which skill, in out of these 5 skill, in which skill you are interested upon and you like the most. You like means you do not get bored while doing that. Let's say for example you love writing, so pick that writing, means that skill, and do internship on that skill. Once you become good at that skill, start freelancing, and after doing freelancing, start your own business. Yes, start your own business. Let me tell you how you can start your business. Firstly, you have to become a generalist who come and go, who find clients for your business. Means start your writing agency. Yes, or anything, or on any skill, start your business. Find clients and hire people. Yes, hire intern or employees to work for you, and your task will be of managing those employees and finding client. That will be your business. Okay, so this was our second thing which you can do to make your 20s super productive and to stop wasting your most precious phase of your life. That is finding passion. Yes, finding passion. Find your passion. How to find it? Take 5 skill, learn it, then find which skill you are interested upon. What makes you happy while doing that? And it could be anything, video editing, graphic designing, anything. If you become you like that, pick that, do internships, and finally build your own business. So this was our second step of making your 20s super productive. And the third one, means third thing which you can do to make your 20s super productive, that is push yourself to start learning content writing and speaking, how to communicate better and how to write better. Master these 2 skills, because these 2 skills are the future, and it will never ever going to end. It is forever, means it is evergreen skill. Content writing and how to speak, means speaking and writing. These 2 things which will last forever. So how to learn communicating? So to learn communication, you must make videos. Speaking means speaking on any topic. How to communicate means speaking in any topic. So how to speak? Pick something, anything. It could be any topic, whether a news, your life learnings, your experience, or anything. It could be anything. Learn means speak on your own language in front of camera. Record yourself. Upload that video in YouTube, Instagram, or in any other platform. That will be your task. And by that way you can and by that way you can improve your speaking skills. And how to write means how to write better. So to writing up better, you need to write, you have to write. There is no substitute of writing. So how to write that? Let me tell you, Twitter and LinkedIn is the most awesome platform, means awesome, fantastic, you can say mind-blowing social medias where you can write anything, write threads, write tweets, write in LinkedIn, like write LinkedIn posts. Yes, push yourself, push every day, push yourself every day. Have vision that I will write, I will speak, I will make videos, I will film myself, I will record videos, and I will definitely write one tweet for the 30 days will make you super, you can say, productive, and you can make your 20s super productive, and you can take your writing skills from this level to that level. Yes, so these all the three things which will help you to make your 20s super productive. Let me recap what are those three things. So first one is take responsibilities. How to take responsibilities? Earn money. Yes, earn money and start financing your college fees, start financing your bills, start financing your rent, or anything that will include your expenses, not other than that. Don't rely on your parents. If you are relying on them, then you are making big mistakes with your future. And the second one you have to do is, second thing which you have to do to make your 20s super productive, that is you have to find your passion. Yes, you have to find your passion at any cost. How to find that? Pick 5 skills. Yes, minimum 5 skills. Learn them. Yes, you learn them. Then now figure out of 5 skill which skill you like the most. If you like video editing, go ahead and start and doing internship, start becoming good at that skill, and finally start your own business. And the third thing which you must do is push yourself to learn writing and speaking. Why writing and speaking? Because it is life skill which will last forever. It is never going to end. Write tweets, write LinkedIn posts. It will make you a better writer and better speaker. I hope you got it. Thank you and have a great day.